Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, racing your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bars to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. To replace it, start by loosening and removing the upper tie rod end on the sway bar link. To do this, take a 50mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Stop the rotation of the tie rod end with the Allen key and remove the nut using the spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower tie rod end. Take the new sway bar link and remove the new nut supplied with it to grease the threading and facilitate any future disassemblies. Put the link in its housing and tighten the nuts using a 50mm spanner. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Put the wheels on your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Operation completed.